A very good evening to one and all. It's another day, another gorgeous evening in the city of Ranchi, where we are going to experience another taste of a terrific contest between the Srachi Rar Bengal Tigers and the Odisha Warriors in match number 5 of the Women's Hockey India League, coming to you live from the Marangong K. Jaipal Singh AstroTurf Hockey Stadium. Johar, good evening, and we'll take the cue from Udita, who says, let's play. It is the Odisha Warriors who are pushing from left to right in their orange and blue outfit, and the Srachi Rar Bengal Tigers are kitted in all white, pushing in from right to left. In fact, for the first time in the last few minutes, they have an opportunity to press higher up the pitch, looking for that deflection, and they have the opening goal. So very often we have seen this, a goal coming against the run of play.
Baljeet Kaur, second goal for her in the Hero Hockey India League 2025. She was right there, right in front, in the face of the goalkeeper. The ball comes in and all she does is just guide it in, just pokes it in. That's sensational work from the young player. And absolutely no chance for Jennifer Rizzo, who's a bit too late on it, realizes once the ball has gone past her. Much greater sense of urgency as they've begun the second quarter.
Circle entry was made, and here's the equalizer. It's come from the stick of Beauty Dang Dang, and that was an absolute beauty as far as finishing is concerned. Right at the start of the second quarter, the Tigers have ensured that they roar back to glory.
It's a fantastic finish, take nothing away from it, but I think it was also quite poor goalkeeping. Really should have stopped this one, just went through her legs.
Vandana Kataria now veers her way to the left as we are down to under 3 seconds. The penalty shootout now looks impending. It is now a reality. At the end of regulation time, in what's been an even tussle, both the Srachi Rar Bengal Tigers and Odisha Warriors are deadlocked at 1 goal apiece, and we will head into a shootout. Caitlin Nobbs again fancying the right, looking for the backhander, has the opportunity, and she's second time lucky. Keeps her head about herself, and that calm demeanor has manifested in goal number 3 for the Warriors.
There's a big shot coming up after this. Caitlin Nobbs recovering well. Grace O'Hanlon, just because she was down on the floor, that's made it almost impossible to recover. But now they need to score this one.
It will be Hannah Cotter lining up against Jocelyn Bartram. The Trans-Tasman battle is underway. Hannah Cotter gives the fake the first time, weaves the ball around, takes too much time, and has she scored it just in time? Doesn't look like it's the case. And it's the Warriors that have had the wood on the Tigers, and in what's been a thrilling shootout, they complete a victory by the thinnest of margins, and this was the game stealer.
Absolutely, good work from Jocelyn Bartram. That poke with the stick, that was enough. The 8 seconds had elapsed, and that's why, even though she struck the board, it wasn't enough on the night. And the 2 points belong to the Odisha Warriors, probably on balance of play.
A recap of the results by virtue of a 3-2 edge in the penalty shootout. The Warriors walk away with a shootout bonus point, and that's all courtesy Jocelyn Bartram, the woman from Western Australia.